A man who revolutionized the snack world with a cylindrical can is literally resting in peace inside one. Fred Bauer, the inventor of the iconic Pringles can, took his love for innovation and crispy chips to the grave, quite literally. After designing the perfect container to keep those addictive snacks fresh and unbroken, Bauer became so attached to his creation that he requested his ashes be buried in one when he passed away in 2008. His family honored this unusual wish, placing part of his remains in a Pringles can before sealing it in his grave. This quirky final tribute isn't just a fascinating piece of trivia, it's a testament to a lifetime of inventive spirit and a legacy that continues to crunch its way into our hearts and stomachs. Imagine being so passionate about your invention that it becomes your eternal home.